What's up? This is Squarez from the Ruggeds. This is the instant tutorial where I'm going to teach you head balance. Make a triangle with your head and your hands. And first of all, you got to be able to stand on your head. So do this. Support surface all the time. Right now, I'm leaning on my hands and my head, but I want to shift my weight as much to my head as possible. The way to do that is to keep my arms and legs as wide as possible, as low as possible. So I try to do this, and then I try to do my hands, my tippy toes, my tippy fingers, and as wide as possible. Yeah? So now, what I try to do is shift my weight towards my head as far as possible. Then I can lift to just 2 fingers. Yeah? All my weight is on my head. When you can do this, you can try to balance without fingers as long as you can. And then you got it. That was it.